Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a Polaroid picture tag album. Yep, that's what we're making. So I need to make some Polaroids, and I'm making faux Polaroids. So we need to cut a bunch of white paper down to 3.5 by 4.2. So 3.5. 3.5. 3.5, and then by 4.2, which is a little shy of 4.25. So I'm just going to do 4.25 because it's my album and I can do what I want. Okay. So that means these just get cut in half, and I'm an idiot and I didn't realize that when I started. That's all right. Okay. All right, so we have our Polaroids, and I don't even know how many I have. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we have 12. Perfect. Now we need to cut our insides, and what I'm going to do is cut them from this travel paper because I thought it would be really cute as a travel album. Jeez Louise, I cannot think. So we need to cut our paper to 3.1 inches squared. So I need 12. So I'm just going to pull out, you can see I've used this for something. For what, I don't remember. I'm just going to pull out a bunch of the paper, and then it'll get used as, oh, I like that one. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3.1 by 3.1. Well, that means I need 12 pieces. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, because 3.1 is a little bit bigger than 6 by 6. So we're going to go 3. 3.1 is what? I don't know. Give me a second. Okay. Yep. We're just going to do an 1/8. That's what we're going to do. Okay. And then it'll get glued on like so. Okay. I am going to cut these because you don't need to see me cut these. So I'm going to cut them at 3 1/8. And I'll be back. All right. I'll cut 12 pieces and 12 pieces. Now we just have to glue them on. And then if I was going to print a picture for this, I would print a picture at 3 by 3. So you have a nice mat around your photo. Okay. I think I could have put it down a little bit. Let's scooch it down a little bit. Come on. You can scooch. There we go. That's better. It needed to be down just a little bit. And then I would journal on this right here. Okay. That way you have, yep, I can't speak. You have places to journal on each piece. And you could also, if you wanted, add another piece to the other side so you can get double the amount of photos. if you wanted to. I'm not going to, but if you wanted to, you could. But this would make such a cute little travel journal, little travel album. Especially if you're just doing like a little day trip even would be cute journaled in here. I don't go anywhere. I'm gonna be honest. I've told you this before. I don't go anywhere. First of all, if you can afford to go on vacation, like amazing, great for you. I can't afford to go on vacation. My mom was telling me that my cousin and her boyfriend are never home, that they're always on vacation. I'm like, wow, must be nice to be able to afford to go on vacation all the time. I can't afford that. So I'm hoping my boyfriend's aunt and her new husband are moving to Georgia, and they live here in Pennsylvania, and they're moving to Georgia come fall. And my boyfriend offered to, hey, if you need, like, if there's stuff that you need, like, I will drive down. And I'm like, well, I want to go too. And he's like, no. And he said no, and he's right. He's right. He's not being a jerk. He's right. Me in a car driving on the interstate for hours from Pennsylvania to Georgia, that's no bueno. I said to him, I said, but I'll drug myself. Like, I'll take drugs, but I want to go. But I can't. Unfortunately, I can't. I do have my father to take care of. I mean, I could leave him alone for a day or two. I really could. But then there's the animals, and I can't leave. Like, Sammy has separation anxiety. I can't leave him, and we can't take him with because they have cats, and he hates cats. So can't take him with. But I was like, come on, I really want to go with. I have time. If he has to, I can convince him to take me with. What do you think? I think I could convince him. I think I could convince him, and maybe I just drop Sammy off with somebody else. Maybe I have his mom come here and stay here, and she can, or I don't know, is she going with? I don't know. I just want to go. And my watch is going off like crazy. Oh, duh. So I'm so confused. Like, why is my watch going off, but my phone is not? I had my phone muted. I had it on vibrate because I did go and get my blood work done. So let's see. Is there any cut aparts in here that I want to use? I'm trying to see. Did I cut any? I think I cut one of the pages apart right here. So that's not going to help, right? So no, none. Let's see. I don't like any of those. And those are the same. Is that the only ones there are? Nope, there's these. No, I don't like them. All right. That's fine. So now we're just going to punch our holes. And I think, I don't know, can I get this in? I can get it through the smaller hole. So I'm actually going to use the smaller hole and punch it as best as I can in the corner. There we go. That's a good spot. And then I can use the smaller hole. So I'm just going to line this up and use this as a template and just punch. And as I always try to tell you, use the same one as your template every time. Anyway, that was my kid texting me. His ears are clogged. His ears get clogged, and I'm pretty sure it's from always using headphones. So I have to go to the store and get him some D-Brox, which, by the way, if your kid's ears get clogged, it works every time. So I have to go to the store and get him some of that because he's out. That's what he was texting me for. Anyway, there we go. So with that done, And now we're just going to put them in some kind of order. I think I want this plain one first. And then, I mean, not that it matters. You're going to put, actually, I want to put that one first. You're going to put photos on them. I just want to make sure I don't have like a white one next to a white one. You know, that would bother me. There we go. And then we just put it on the ring. And it's done. So you have this cute little ring album that you could, like I said, pretend this is a picture. You put a picture on here and you cut it a little bit. Let's get a piece of paper so you can see. So that was 3.1. So I would do a 3-inch square piece of paper, a 3-inch square photo. Boy, oh boy, I cannot speak. Well, let's actually make it straight. Okay, so we'll pretend this is a photo. And you would just take it and you would put it on there. So then you have a nice, that is not square. That is not straight. That was not straight. Put it on here. So then you would have a nice mat around the photo and then journal across the bottom. That's what I would do. Okay? So that was quick and easy. If you want to make a tassel, you can make a tassel. If you want to add, you can add anything you want. You really can. You can add so much stuff to this. You can add little clips, anything you would want. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. It was a quick, easy album, and it was what? I don't remember the dimensions already. I have them written down. It feels like so long ago. 3.5, so 3.5 by 4.25. So it's 3.5 by 4.25. And then the inside was 3 1/8 by 3 1/8 for 3 by 3 photos. Okay, easy peasy. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.